Welcome back to Cars Zone. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Honda Civic. Known for its legendary reliability, style, and performance, the Civic continues to be a standout in the compact car segment. Let's explore what makes this year's model so special. Exterior. The 2025 Honda Civic boasts a striking exterior redesign that effortlessly blends sophistication with sportiness. Starting with the bold honeycomb-patterned grille, it's flanked by sleek, aggressive LED headlights that not only improve visibility but also give the Civic a modern edge. The low-slung body and streamlined contours enhance aerodynamics while exuding a sense of speed, even when standing still. Honda offers a palette of fresh color options this year, including the eye-catching obsidian blue and crimson pearl. Completing the look are the stylish alloy wheels, available in sizes up to 18 inches, and an optional rear spoiler for that extra sporty vibe. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that seamlessly combines comfort and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Civic offers a minimalist yet functional dashboard layout, with premium materials used throughout. The centerpiece is a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, now standard across most trims, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in navigation system on higher trims. The seats are ergonomically designed, available in plush fabric or leather upholstery, with optional heated and ventilated front seats. Rear passengers will appreciate the ample legroom and improved headspace, making it perfect for long road trips. And let's not forget the practicality. With clever storage solutions and a class-leading trunk capacity of 14.8 cubic feet, the Civic is as functional as it is stylish. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Civic offers multiple powertrain options to suit every driver's needs. The base model features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 158 horsepower, while the turbocharged 1.5-liter engine delivers a spirited 180 horsepower for those seeking a little extra punch. The continuously variable transmission (CVT) ensures smooth and responsive acceleration, while selectable driving modes let you tailor the experience to your liking, from eco for efficiency to sport for a more dynamic drive. For the eco-conscious, the Civic Hybrid returns with improved fuel economy, boasting an impressive 50-plus mpg combined. Honda has always prioritized safety, and the 2025 Civic is no exception. Equipped with Honda Sensing, the suite includes advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and the new traffic jam assist for added convenience in stop-and-go traffic. The 2025 Honda Civic continues to set the bar for what a compact car should be: stylish, comfortable, efficient, and packed with technology. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend adventurer, or just looking for a reliable ride, the Civic has something for everyone. Thanks for tuning in to your channel name. Let us know your thoughts on the 2025 Honda Civic in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Until next time, drive safe.